2 weird things on Amazon I actually like. Number 5 is a foot peel mask that took off the entire top layer of skin on my feet, and all you have to do is rinse your feet in warm water and then wear these booties for an hour and a half. It took 3 days to start peeling, and then it just went crazy from there, and I could not believe how my feet looked and felt, and it was weirdly satisfying to get a good long peel. After it was done shedding, my feet felt so soft and my calluses were gone.
That's crazy.
Number 2 is my garage light that is built like a tank, and I really like how you can angle the lighting in your garage or even your backyard. You just have to screw it into any old light bulb outlet and then you're all set.
Whoa.
Number 4 is my solution to organize pot and pan lids. You just stick these wherever you want, wait a couple hours, and then you can place your lids in a location that's organized and out of the way.
I like it.
Number 9 is my elevated soap holder that makes sure that I don't have to touch slimy soap anymore.
Yes.
The design is made to let the bottom of your soap dry out faster so it lasts longer and doesn't get all nasty. Plus it's made from very soft silicone and we love using it for our shampoo and conditioner bars.
Amazing.
Number 7 is my really cute Mickey Mouse AirTag holder that allows us to attach to my kids' backpack or clothes so that way we can know where they are when we need to know where they are. Good for large events with lots of people because the AirTag can do so many cool things to keep track of it.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.